The Big Splash, Lulu's Ocean Adventure by the Blue Brain Teacher. Far away in the deep blue ocean, there lived a young humpback whale named Lulu. Lulu was not just any whale. She was curious and loved adventures. Her tail was as wide as a small boat, and when she flipped it in the air, it made a gigantic splash. Lulu loved to sing. Humpback whales are known for their beautiful songs, which can travel incredible distances underwater. Lulu's songs were special because they told stories. She sang about the places she had seen and the creatures she had met. Her songs were so melodious that even the shy dolphins would come out to listen. Every year, Lulu and her family would go on a great journey. They traveled thousands of miles from the cold, food-rich waters near Alaska to the warm waters of Hawaii. This journey was not just for fun. It was a part of their life. In Hawaii, the water was warm and perfect for the baby whales to grow strong. In the warm waters, Lulu learned to dance, as whales don't dance like humans. They dance by jumping high out of the water and spinning in the air. This is called breaching, and it's a sight to behold. Lulu became very good at it, and sometimes she would breach over and over just for fun. One day during their journey back to Alaska, Lulu noticed something strange in the water. It was a seal tangled in a fishing net. Without thinking twice, Lulu swam closer and, with a gentle push of her massive head, lifted the seal to help it breathe. Then, with careful movements, she managed to untangle the seal, who quickly swam away to safety, wagging its tail in gratitude. After many adventures and new friends made along the way, Lulu and her family started their journey back to the cold waters. Lulu had many new songs to sing, stories to tell, and dances to show. And as the ocean carried her voice far and wide, every creature in the sea listened to the tales of Lulu, the brave and adventurous whale. The end. Humpback whales are amazing. They sing songs to talk to their friends even when they're far away, just like our friend Lulu. They travel long distances to find warm places to stay. When they're happy, they jump out of the water and spin around. Humpback whales love being with their whale family and helping each other find food and stay safe. Sometimes they even help other animals in trouble, showing how kind they are. So, whenever you see a humpback whale, remember how special and friendly they are.